Good morning to all of you. Myself Azranjum Sheikh. I am from Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, from the BSc third year, semester 5th. We are celebrating World Fungus Day. The World Fungus Day are celebrated by Department of Botany. On the occasions of World Fungus Day, I have delivered the seminar on the topic of fungal pathogens of humans, animals and plants. The contents of these seminars are delivered by me is a introductions of fungi, fungal pathogens on humans being, animals and plants, and also a beneficial effect of fungi. We know that the fungi is a eukaryote that digests food externally and absorbs nutrition directly through its cell wall. Fungi are heterotrophs and like animals, often their carbon and energy from the organism. Most fungi are reproduced by spore and have a body thallus composed of microscopic tubular cell called HAPI. The first point is the fungal pathogens of humans. The fungi, Aspergillus spore, a type of fungus that produce a cancer-causing alpha toxin. Here are more than 20 species of Candida yeast that can cause human infection, but most infections are caused by Candida albicans. This is the infection caused by fungi on the human being, mycosis infections. A ringworm presents as a red ring on the skin caused by the fungi. And second slide show that the fungi Trichophyton valoceum shown in this bright field light microscope cause superficial mycosis on the skull. The third one is the fungi Histoplasma capsulatum is an ascomyces that infect airway and causes symptoms similar to influenza. The second is the fungal pathogens of animals. Many fungi infections are superficial, that is, they occurs on the animal skins. We know that about this. The term cutaneous is related to the skin's mycosis. They can have devastating effect. You can see this is the pictures of frog. This is caused by the fungi infection. Similarly, more than millions bats in the United States have been killed by white nose syndrome, which appears as a white ring around the mouth of the bat. For example, the declines of the world frog population in recent years may be caused by the fungus Batrachocatrum dendrobates, which infect the skins of frog and presumably interfere with gases exchange. It is caused by the cold-loving fungus Geomyces distractans, which disseminated its deadly spore in cave where a bat hibernates. Mycologists are researching the transmission mechanism and control of Geomyces distractans to stop its spread. Third one is the fungal pathogens of plant. You can see this is the crop of plants are caused by the fungi. This is the harmful to this. The productions of sufficient good quality crop is essential to human existence. Plant diseases have ruined crop, bringing widespread famine. Like that, the smuts, rust, and powdery or downy mildew are other examples of common fungal pathogens that affect crop. Many plant pathogens are fungi that cause tissue decay and eventual death of the host. In addition to destroying plant tissue directly, some plant pathogens spoil crop by producing a potent toxin. Fungi are also responsible for food spoilage and the rooting of stored crop. For example, the fungus Claviceps purpurea cause ergot disease of cereal crop, especially the rye. Although the fungi reduce the yield of cereal, the effect of the ergot alkali toxins on humans and animals are of much greater significance. The fungi are harmful to the plant, animals, and humans. The fungi are also beneficial to the decomposer of organic matter, like that recycle nutrients. The fungi is also important for this symbiosis with plant root, like that mycorrhiza, and produce antibody, organic acid, vitamin, fermentation, alcohol, food, bread, cheese also eaten as a food. Thank you.